Right, here is the fire alarm control panel. It's a Simplex 41 ES fire alarm control panel. I don't film fire alarms very often, but see this? It opens up.
Don't touch though, Alex.
It opens up with the key. Can I see it in there?
No, we're not supposed to open
We're not
that
allowed,
thing.
Alex. Sorry, honey.
We're not allowed. So
For emergency reasons.
for never ever does the alarm, and there.
What?
And there are the pull stations out there.
Yeah, there's pull stations throughout the building.
Good. I can show you a few, Alex, okay?
All right.
Say thank you to Frank.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, Alex. Take care.
Going this way, Frank. Alex.
I will
Okay?
show you. So we're doing. You can use this cane. I'll use.
Sure.
I will.
Okay, which one of them, Alex? You okay?
Yep, I will show you. I will show you.
And I will show you one of our, see right here, these are extinguishers. You see them?
Yes, I mean the pool.
That I don't know where it is. I don't even know if we have a pool.
Well, yes. Yes, we do.
Okay today? You okay, Alex? I think we should get upstairs, buddy. Maybe the doctor can give you something.
Oh, well.
Which elevator you want to use? The employee elevator, the back one? Then you can go through the back.
Yep. These two.
Well, at least you got to see the
Oh,
these poles. Is that what you mean? Now don't pull it, Alex. We'll be in a lot of trouble.
Oh, see this?
Mm-hmm.
This is a Simplex. 2099 9103 pull station.
Did you see this is all our exits?
This is a fire.
And that's where everything is. All the poles and the extinguishers. But you probably already knew that, Alex.
But where are the?
What?
But where are those? I will show you this the speaker.
Oh, that I don't know where it is. I think that's in with the security.
This speaker.
We don't have a speaker here. It automatically, if the fire alarm goes off, it automatically goes on.
Oh, it's the Simplex 40. It's the Simplex 2099-103, another one.
Come on this way.
Yep.
Let's go this way. Look at this one, Alex.
Oh, and
This is a valve.
yes, yep.
Oh, that is a panel that we have.
A Simplex 4906 9101 fire alarm annunciator. And Simplex 2099-9103 pull station. But let's see. I can't find a speaker strobe. See the pull state. This right here is another Simplex 2099-9103, and here's another
We have them all over.
2099
Oh, Alex, we got them all over, buddy.
Oh, this is not a actually it's a 40. It's a 2099.
It's a 2099.
-9103, except
Oh my goodness.
The pole
He knows
station.
all about these things.
Are you inspecting us? Make sure we're all.
He
set?
just wants to see them all,
How
yeah.
you doing, Carolyn?
Ready to go up there?
Oh. Oh, I see this. I see the strobe here.
Oh,
And look at that one over there, honey. That's when the lights go out. Do you see the lights for fire? That one over there? When the alarm goes out, it kind of like just goes the lights.
Ooh, and a simplex true alarm smoke detector and a Wait, what kind of a strobe is that? Wait, is it a horn?
It's a
Yes.
light. Is it a
It's
horn? It's a horn.
It's dreadfully loud.
This right here is
Yes.
is a horn.
Okay.
I do not know the
You don't know the numbers?
It's a simplex. I know that.
Of course it is.
It's a simplex. I know that, but I do not know. Maybe like a true alarm horn strobe. I do not know. All right, we're gonna get on the elevator
He
here.
knows everything about the elevators. It's a notice, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew it was an
I love testing prep.
Okay.
We all know and love this elevator. It's a testing prep traditional. Get on the service elevator here.
Okay.
See? Go to.
Where are you going?
I'm going to 2.
Okay, we're going to press 2. You got it.
Thank you.
Ooh, look.
Yeah, that was you need.
There is firefighters operation, which it takes L204 key, fire phone, and code
Something, huh?
blue, which is L206 and hoistway L205 independent service, L203. And
Okay.
run stop takes I think L205 as well. And fan. And even fan and light. It does take L203.
Oh, that's it. You would know, Alex, not me.
Yes, I knew about ThyssenKrupp.
And guess what? I should be still here when you leave today, so I can come and get you.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. Oh, it's in nudge mode. It means when it opens too long.
You got it, boy. You know what, Alex? I'm gonna tell the guys. We've been having trouble with our elevator. We should probably have you come and help.